Hey, it's Dave Mike, Ghetto Van Adventures. Mike's still laughing at me behind the camera. We got a comment on our oil viscosity or flow rate with a thinner oil. Somebody wanted a thinner oil, like a 530, what they use. And 530 is a pretty common oil, along with 020, 520. But we'll hit 530 this time and just show you the flow difference.
Sounds thrilling. Let's do it.
Sounds thrilling.
I'm still lost on 10W and 5W
Well,
and 30 and 40. And
okay.
that could be another video for one day to teach me about oil.
Well, 530, the 5W30, the 5 is how it flows. The lower the number, the thinner it is. So 5 shows how it flows in the wintertime when it's cold.
Right.
30 is how it flows when it's hot. But that way, the W designates winter. Anyway, so we have 2 pence oils, 530. This is conventional, and that's the synthetic. They're both cold, and let's see if we can get this thing rolling. 1, 2, 3.
The one on the right is winning.
And that is the synthetic. Looks like honey.
Delicious.
So there you go. The synthetic is out, and there's the difference. 530 and conventional and synthetic. So the synthetic one again. And remember, guys, even hot weather, it's faster to get to the top of your engine. It provides more protection. I like it. Cold weather, you're not going to beat it in the cold because it always gets to the top of your engine. It always provides lubrication on startup, like quick lubrication. So that's what you want. Anyway, hope that helped. If you have any questions, please put a comment below. Subscribe. We always like subscribers. And hit like. And thanks very much. Say thanks, Mike.
Thanks, guys. Enjoy.
I thought you were going to say thanks, Mike.